Hi everyone. Today we will be answering the question, how do bacteria communicate?
To start off, we all know that bacteria is everywhere.
And they live in a vast amount of environments. Now if you think about it, all organisms have some form of communication. Cows moo, people talk, dogs bark. And bacteria isn't an exception. So what is their form of communication? Well, to put this simply, they communicate through signals. Chemical signals. These chemical signals are called autoinducers. It was named autoinducers because scientists observed that whenever a bacterium reaches a specific threshold density, that is only when these bacteria start producing enzymes. A molecule automatically induces a synthesis of components once the threshold is attained. This phenomenon is called quorum sensing. Quorum sensing is a form of communication that regulates the gene expression. Gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria use this communication system to control a variety of physiological processes. For reference, this is your bacterial cell. This bacterial cell has a very important protein called AHL synthase, and the AHL synthase produces, you guessed it, autoinducers. These autoinducers get excreted out of the bacterial cell. Then, at a particular concentration, the cell receives these autoinducing molecules and binds to a quorum sensing receptor. The receptor of the molecule then binds to the bacterial cell's DNA, and this is where the transcription of gene expression begins. For example, when the bacterium senses antibiotics, it'll then communicate to the other bacteria, once it reaches the required population density, that there's an antibiotic threatening their capability to reproduce. These bacteria will then start adjusting their gene expressions altogether for it to continue moving their path. They develop antibiotic resistance. That concludes our topic. And to answer the question, how do bacteria communicate? They communicate through autoinducers, and this system of communication is called quorum sensing. And they communicate for the purpose of altering gene expressions to adapt accordingly. I hope you learned from this video. Bye bye!